those of parade will collect their posting letters first. All of that to collect according to platoon.
Yes, I did take you. It's a bit
that's Universal soundtrack, not bad. This is where I did camp. This is Old McGregor, Abby.
Yeah.
I don't know, I don't forget. I'm not particularly a huge fan of this place, so forgive me for not remembering the name, but this is where I had my 3 weeks camp. The camp experience. It was fun all through the way, but this is our mommy market. See the way it looks. You know, very hilly looking place.
With assorted dishes.
Yeah, mostly expensive food. This is our parade ground where we do all the marching and all the practice and everything, and now that's where they're doing the final parade before they get dismissed for their PPAs. This is that moment when everybody is getting their PPA, their letters, and everybody's either sad or happy, you know, and then trying to figure out where they're going to. These guys who are coming up from camp, we know they are still newbies and they don't know what to expect, so we want to give them a little bit of reality before they get out, like top 5 things they need to know once they're out of camp.
1, hunger.
Salary is not going to be enough. Second, they are going to pay house rent. Third, foodstuffs is expensive over here. In town you spend money, transport fare, feeding, light, water, a lot of things. But in village, like, water is cheap. No light, you need sunlight.
Yeah. And all your fine phone is just fine. You know, there is no light to shine.
No light.
This iPhone has been 7 days, non-charged.
Yes.
Charging point is spoiled, you don't take the pay now.
When you come, please get small phone. Small Nokia phone. Yeah, with 2 batteries.
Yeah.
When we came here, we thought we were going to have some savings for a year, but
That can't wreck.
and
again, the water is water not good to them.
yeah, the water is very, very salty. Yes.
But you
Water is
make
salty.
body fresh.
Yeah, you go fresh. You know it's serious. But you get intima. You get lakpa. This kind of skinny. But I came here fair and now I'm dark.
Tony,
Yeah, this is my guy. I came here friend when it's not retarded. It's so funny. Shout out to Dr. Komomisu. You only come on occasion when you said I got AIDS. So
PPA is a place of primary assignments.
PSA is place of secondary assignment.
Thank you.
And probably for your PPA, not too much get work.
Don't get PTA.
First thing just to
PTA.
this guy.
PPA.
Place of tertiary assignment.
CLO. What does CLO mean? It means Corpers. Correct. Deborah is here. Deborah is here.
Each PPA we have a CR, which is called representative. So in each PPA we have called representative, and in each zone, in each area, we have just 1 CM.
Basically, I think those who are coming, they come better. They should understand the fact that where they are posted to may not be where they really wanted. The place may not really be conducive for them. So they should understand the fact that they have to adapt wherever the town is. I noticed that those who are coming here, I think they are not patient.
Yeah.
Don't miss CDS, so when need to now, so that they can travel go Abuja. Because this 1 year, go travel because you miss 3 CDS.
You don't be. That's the end.
And that one means that now 1 month, 2 months, it's not allowed for you. So please don't miss CDS. Get and walk, come to town. Ebonyi, you can't see. No allowed for tickets. So get set. The water is bad. Well, plenty mosquitoes. Trade ones.
Look, see.
You see? Even this kind of time, people net. Even with AC, you see the sock. So get set. Come with your net. Come with everything. With your malaria drugs, everything. That's worry for you. See you later.
Seriously, his name is Worry. No kidding, his name is Worry.
No jokes, bro.